Good morning, students. Welcome again. We are going to start our new session, and in this session we will discuss about the question number 7 and 8. Here, let us start with question number 7, and question number 7 is Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of our school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data and draw the graph of the same. आपको इसको linear equation में represent करना है and then you have to plot a graph for the equation. So here you can see contribution. Let us assume contribution by Yamini is equal to rupees X and the contribution of Fatima is rupees Y. So here मैंने सपोज किया है यामिनी ने X रुपीज़ डोनेट किया है पीएम रिलीफ फंड में एंड फातिमा ने Y रुपीज़ डोनेट किया है. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, इन दिस क्वेश्चन आपसे कहा गया है टुगेदर दे बोथ कंट्रीब्यूटेड रुपीज़ 100. दोनों ने कुल मिला के टोटल कितना पैसा दिया है? 100 रुपीज़ दिया है. सो हाउ यू कैन राइट? यू कैन राइट एज X प्लस Y is equal to 100. That is your equation, and that is a linear equation in two variable. So this is your equation, equation 1. So this is your first answer. Now in the second part you have to plot a graph for the given equation. How will you draw the graph? Yes, you will draw a table for that like this, and you will find three solutions, at least three solutions. X, Y, 1, 2, 3. First, you will put Y is equal to 0, you will get X is equal to 100. When you put X equal to 0, you will get Y equal to 100. When you put X equal to 50, you will get Y is equal to 50. Okay, is it clear? Now, we are going to plot a graph for given equation by using this table. That is your x-axis and that is y-axis. Now I am taking the interval of 50, okay, between two numbers. That is 0. You can take 25, 25, 50, 75 and 100. And again on the y-axis 25, 50, 75 and 100. First point is 100, 0. That is 100, 0. Second one is 0, 100. So that is 0 and that is 100 on the y-axis. So point is 0, 100. Next 50, 50. That is 50 and on the y-axis that is 50. Now by joining, they will intersect at this point and this point will be 50, 50. Now join these 3 points, you will get a straight line. आपको एक straight line मिलेगी passing through from these 3 points. Okay, like this. Now I think it is clear. Okay, so let us start question number 8. Okay. So in this question, in the countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, and whereas in India, like India, it is measured in Celsius. कुछ कंट्रीज़ में टेम्परेचर को फ़ारेनहाइट में हम लोग मेज़र करते हैं, जबकि कुछ कंट्रीज़ लाइक इंडिया हम लोग इसको सेल्सियस या फिर सेंटीग्रेड में मेज़र करते हैं. हियर इज़ अ लाइक लीनियर इक्वेशन इन द टू वेरिएबल. यहाँ पे आपको एक लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल गिवन है. फर्स्ट पार्ट, ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ द लीनियर इक्वेशन एवब यूजिंग सेल्सियस फॉर एक्स एक्सिस एंड फ़ारेनहाइट फॉर वाई एक्सिस. मैंने एक्स एक्सिस पे सेल्सियस लिया हुआ है, फ़ारेनहाइट को मैंने वाई एक्सिस पे लिया हुआ है. यहाँ पे मैंने एक टेबल ड्रॉ की है. टेबल में मैंने कुछ वैल्यूज रखी हैं. c इज इक्वल टू 0, देन यू विल गेट दिस बिकम 0, यू विल गेट 32. as F. Now when you put minus 40, 5 8 ja 40, minus 8, 8 9 ja minus 72, you will get minus 40. And when you put 40, you will get 104. मैंने ये नंबर्स क्यों लिए हैं? ये सभी 8 के मल्टीपल हैं. These all are multiple of 8. So यहाँ पे मैंने ये नंबर्स कार्टेशियन प्लेन ड्रॉ किया है by taking a continuous interval of 8. मैंने 8 का इंटरवल लेके पूरा ड्रॉ किया है. Now the first point is 0,32 and 0,32 where it will lie. Yes, 0 and 32, that is 0,32. Second one is minus 40, minus 40, minus 40, x, negative x-axis, that is minus 40 and that is minus 40. So they will intersect each other at here, like this. That is minus 40, minus 40. And third one is 40, 104. That is 40 and that is 104. They will intersect at this point. Make a straight line. And that point will be 40, 104. Now, by joining these 3 points like this, you will get a straight line. देख रहे हैं आप? This is a straight line, and I have already told you in the linear equation 2 variable you always get a straight line. Okay? Now the second part is, ये first part has been finished. Now second part is if the temperature is 30 degree, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If C is 30 degree, C की वैल्यू 30 है, तो टेम्परेचर फ़ारेनहाइट में कितना होगा? You know the formula. Equation is F is equal to 9/5 then C plus 32. You will put in the place of C 30. So what you will get? 9 into 5, 9/5 into 30 plus 32. 5 6 are 30 and 6 9 are 54 plus 32. You will get what you will get? 86. 4 to 6 and 5 3 8. 86 degree Fahrenheit. That will be your answer. Third part is, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, now the value of F is given. Now the value of F is given. F is how much? 95. So what will be the value of C? By using that formula, F is equal to 9/5C and plus 32. You will put 95 is equal to 9/5C plus 32. Now this 32 will move here and it become 95 minus 32. कितना हो जाएगा? 95 minus 32 is equal to 9/5C. So what you will get? You will get 3 and 6, 63. 9/5C. Now C becomes 63 into 5/9, that will be 35 degrees centigrade. This is the value of C. Now the fourth part is the the temperature is 0 degree centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit, and if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what will be the temperature in Celsius? If C is 0 degree, then by using this formula F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. When you will put C is equal to 0, you will get F is equal to 32 degree. Okay, that is your answer. And when F is equal to 0 and when जब आप F की वैल्यू 0 डिग्री पुट करेंगे, what you will get 0 is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. 32 will move, that become minus 32 into 5 upon 9 is equal to C. What you will get? You will get, by solving this question, minus 17.77. C will be minus 17.77 degree. Okay? And the last question is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. एक ऐसा टेम्परेचर है जो फ़ारेनहाइट एंड सेल्सियस में सेम रहता है, वो टेम्परेचर आपको बताना है. यू कैन सी बाय द टेबल से भी आप देख सकते हैं. एक पॉइंट ऐसा था जहां पे आपको F एंड C इक्वल मिले थे. दैट पॉइंट इज -40, -40. It is clear by the graph, but in the other way you can find by this method. Equation is F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. आपको एक ऐसा टेम्परेचर फाइंड करना है जिसमें बोथ वैल्यूज इक्वल हो. देन यू विल पुट C is equal to F. आप C की जगह पे भी F पुट करेंगे plus 32. So what you will get? इसको इधर मूव करेंगे. F minus 9 upon 5 F is equal to 32. What you will get here? F will be common. 1 minus 9 upon 5 is equal to 32, and this is minus 4 upon 9. That will be minus 4 upon 5 F is equal to 32, and F will be minus 40. Okay, so this is the temperature at where the both temperature Fahrenheit and Celsius became same. ये दोनों सेम हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, न्यूमेरिकली सेम हो जाते हैं. So okay students, now it is enough for today. Tomorrow we will discuss the next new topic for exercise 4.4. Okay, thank you class.